Nityanandam, everybody. Sambhavi Mahamudra is the ultimate state of inner peace and awareness. It involves the union of your individual consciousness with the cosmic consciousness. To experience this, sit in the Samana Mudra position. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Then lock the throat by constructing the neck and visualizing holding the breath inside. Alongside, perform the Jalandhara Bandha by holding the chin to the chest and engage in the Kumbhaga, retaining the breath for as long as comfortable. Finally, exhale slowly and repeat this process multiple times. This practice aligns your inner energy with the cosmic energy, leading to profound states of awareness and peace when practiced correctly and consistently. Sambhavi Mahamudra brings immense spiritual benefits and clarity.